Are you tired of dry, frizzy hair and can never find a solution that really works? I'll show you how to transform your hair from this to this using a simple 2-minute routine. In today's tutorial, we will be deep diving into why hair gets dry and frizzy, which key ingredients actually help to lock in moisture, as well as the common pitfalls to avoid and my top 10 salon-grade shampoos for dry, frizzy hair. I'm Celine, pro hairstylist at Cosmetic World in North America, here to guide you through common questions in the hair care and hair coloring world. Dry hair is basically a moisture problem, and there are a ton of reasons why the moisture can get depleted. Your scalp secretes organic oils, known as sebum, and certain things can disrupt the natural process. Let's quickly run through these now. Washing your hair too often is the main reason why your hair is dry. Stay tuned for how often you should wash your hair, coming up later in this video. Bleach, relaxers, and heavy coloring processing can all contribute to reduced sebum concentration on your scalp, so use these more sparingly if possible. It's no secret that heat tools contribute to roughing up the hair cuticle and should be seldom used on your hair. Cold weather and dry indoor heating are also negative factors for dry hair. And finally, harsh cleansers are the big culprit in stripping oil away from your hair, leaving it frizzy and dry. Now, frizz is what happens when the cuticle lifts up. Think of it like little shingles sticking out. Those lifted shingles grab moisture from the air, and boom, you've landed in Frizz City. If you have wavy or curly hair, it freezes more because natural oils have harder time traveling down the strand. But even fine hair can freeze if it's overprocessed, dehydrated, or coated in buildup. If you want smoother hair, your shampoo needs to do two jobs: to hydrate whilst keeping the cuticle calm. Here's what ingredients you should be looking out for on your shampoo label. Oils and butters. These includes argan, coconut, almond, jojoba, and shea butter. Humectants. This includes hyaluronic acid, glycerin, aloe vera, all help to draw moisture in your hair. Repair helpers. This includes protein, ceramides, and keratin, all help to smooth and strengthen hair. Avoid the following ingredients, especially if you are regularly dry and frizzy. Harsh sulfates like SLS, SLES can strip away oils. Drying alcohol can make hair feel rough and dehydrated. If you're sensitive, heavy fragrance and irritants can harm your scalp. Okay, here are my top 10 professional shampoos in no particular order. I'll tell you which hair types each product is suitable for, why they work, and pro hair tips for best results. Let's get into it. Number 4, Bond Maintenance Shampoo by Olaplex for chemically treated and heat damaged hair. If you bleach, highlight, or heat style a lot, this is the bond support type of shampoo people love for making hair feel stronger over time and less frizzy. My pro tip: don't overuse additional products after using this. Keep styling lightweight so hair stays bouncy. Discipline Bane Oleo Relax by Keratin for humidity and uncontrollable frizz relief. If humidity makes your hair explode, this one is made for serious frizz control, especially on thick hair. It gives you that sleek salon finish. My pro tip: use microfiber towel or t-shirt after washing. This will make a huge difference for frizz. Absolute Repair Shampoo by L'Oreal Professional. This is made for damaged, breakage-prone hair. If you're dealing with damage, frizz, and breakage, this is strong repair me pick. It helps hair feel softer and more manageable. My pro tip: once a week, swap a conditioner for a mask. Smooth Again Wash by Kevin Murphy for sleek and polished frizz control. If you want that smoother, shinier look without harsh cleansing, this is a gorgeous frizz-focused option that makes hair feel gentle and effortlessly smooth. My pro tip: use the matching rinse conditioner if you want the full smoothing effect. All Soft Shampoo by Redken for buttery, lush softness. If your hair often feels rough and straw-like, this is classic. It cleanses without giving you the really squeaky strip-away feeling, leaving your hair super soft, touchable, and healthy. My pro tip: pair it with the matching conditioner. This one shines as a duo. Hydrate Shampoo by Pureology. This is the best for color-treated hair. If you color your hair frequently and it's still frizzy, go for this very gentle option. It's sulfate-free, super hydrating, and it helps your color looking fresh for longer. My pro tip: Use a smaller amount than you think. You don't need a huge lather. Hydrating Shampoo by Moroccan Oil. This is great for thick, coarse hair. If your hair is thick, coarse, or always thirsty, this gives a serious moisture boost and helps with shine and elasticity. My pro tip: focus shampoo on scalp. Let the rinse clean the ends. Then condition ends well. Invigo Nutri-Enriched by Wella Professional for dry, coarse, or stressed out hair. If your hair is damaged from weather, styling, or just life, this is nourishing pick that leaves hair softer and easier to detangle. My pro tip: detangle with wide tooth combs, start from the ends. The Frizz Shampoo by Liquid Keratin, ideal for smoothing and keratin support. If your main goal is smoothness, this one leans into keratin and aloe for that sleeker feel. My pro tip: if you're using heat, always use heat protectant. Otherwise, freeze comes right back. Moisture Kick by Schwarzkopf PC Barn Cure. This is the best for fine to medium hair that needs deep hydration. If you need moisture but hate anything heavy, this is a great option. It hydrates without making hair feel flat, and it's especially nice for fine or curls that need bounce. My pro tip: keep conditioner mid-length to ends only. Now here's my easy 2-minute wash routine that makes your shampoo work harder. Use lukewarm water only. Hot water can strip away oils. Always shampoo the scalp, not ends. Rinsing out will naturally clean through the length. With conditioner, apply this on the mid-length to ends and leave in 2 to 3 minutes. Then a cool rinse for 10 seconds to help the cuticle lie flatter. Gently blot your hair, never rub it, and use a microfiber towel or t-shirt to avoid frizz or breakage. Leave-in conditioner or serum on damp hair. A really small amount is all you need for this, to give you lasting hydration. If you heat style, use a heat protectant every time to minimize potential damage. And if you wash daily, try moving 2 to 3 washes per week. On off days, do a quick refresh, water mist plus a little leave-in on the ends. Okay, now for some quick fire questions I often ask by my clients. Is sulfate-free better for frizzy hair? Always yes. There's less stripping away of natural sebum whilst being more moisture friendly. Can I condition if my roots get oily? Yes, of course. Just keep the conditioner off your scalp. Co-washing? Great midweek for curls or dryness. Just clarify occasionally if buildup happens. Mist with water, smooth a tiny bit of serum, and braid if needed. If you live with one lesson today, then it should be that smoother hair comes from smarter choices. Starting with the right shampoo and conditioner and a gentler routine that prioritizes moisture retention, not loss. All of the products shown today from Redken, Keratin, Schwarzkopf, Olaplex, and others mentioned are available at www.cosmeticworld.ca with international shipping available, so we can reach you at your home or directly to your salon. We also stock a range of professional hair colors and developers, hair care tools, and as well as Korean skincare. Follow us on our social media channels for the latest special offers and new product releases. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like. Subscribe for more professional hair tutorials. See you next time!